Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Understanding Stable Diffusion in Python. Introduction. Stable diffusion is a mathematical concept used in various fields, including physics and finance, to model the spreading or dispersal of substances over time. In this tutorial, we'll explore stable diffusion using Python and provide a code example to simulate and visualize the process. Requirements. Make sure you have the following Python libraries installed before starting the tutorial. Understanding stable diffusion. Stable diffusion is often represented by the diffusion equation, which describes how a substance spreads through a medium over time. The general form of the diffusion equation is T U equals D 2 U. Here, U is the concentration of the substance. T is time. D is the diffusion coefficient, and 2 is the Laplacian operator. Code example. Let's create a simple Python script using the finite difference method to simulate stable diffusion in a one-dimensional space. In this example, we define a function stable_diffusion_simulation that performs the simulation using the finite difference method, and another function plot_diffusion to visualize the results in 3D space over time. Adjust the parameters to see how the stable diffusion process changes based on the initial conditions and diffusion coefficients. Conclusion. This tutorial provided a basic understanding of stable diffusion and demonstrated how to implement a simple simulation using Python. You can further explore and extend the code for more complex scenarios and multidimensional spaces. ChatGPT.